Hi, Malay here. Today we will discuss about how to use product collections in our e-commerce stores. It's a very powerful feature for the businessmen who are dealing with the products in different categories. It can resolve the many challenges in providing easy navigation to customers on online stores, specifically for the businesses who deals with lots of products falling into different categories. Along with placing menu items having different categories, user can also place a cart icon as well inside the navigation line. So let's start it how we can use these features in our GoHighlevel. First of all, we have to go to our sub account. Under sub account, we have to go to our payment. Under payment, there is a pay product. Under product, the collections. If we go for the collections, we will got the collections options where we can add different collections. If you want to create your collection, then you just create from this here that collection name, that is collection to suppose for your understanding collections to, and then you have to go to the product section. You can add collection from here also. You can add your collection from this place also, like that way. You can edit your collection from this three dot from edit portion that you can edit according to your need. It helps to the business persons who will dealing with the different categories product. It is a great features. Through these features, the e-commerce sites will be more enriched.